me, Sabia Muhammad Sheikh. Today I am here to talk about somebody who taught the real meaning of justice and equality. Today I am here to talk about somebody who propounded compliments towards the equality. Today I am here to talk about somebody who fought against the caste, creed, varna and religion. Yes, I am here to talk about Baba Saheb Ambedkar. I am here to talk about the person who wrote the Constitution of India. I am here to talk about the soul of Constitution of India. इंसानों को गुलाम बनाकर हजारों बादशाह बने हैं. इंसानों को गुलाम बनाकर हजारों बादशाह बने हैं. गुलामों को इंसान बनाकर सिर्फ एक ही बादशाह बने हैं. The one and only Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. I remember some words of our President Draupadi Murmu. She said that Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, he is like a God to me, because he did something that make me to stand in front of you in the position where I am today. So what exactly the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was do? One has to know about his life, one has to know about his story, one has to know about what for he had life. As a young boy, he has forced to sit outside of a classroom, couldn't touch the same thing that his classmate touched. He has refused to get education in the Sanskrit just because born in suppressed caste. At every stage of life, he faced much and more discrimination. But this doesn't deter him from his goal. His goal to realizing every Dalit man have an individual identity. His goal to propel India into a future with guaranteed the social justice and equality. What always inspired me about Baba Saheb Ambedkar is his courage and determination. Despite hardship, he rose up from them and answered the all problem with his education and become the best leader that country had ever seen. A time he is a boy who has forced to walk out of the classroom with his slate and gunny bag. A time he is a boy who has forced to walk out of the classroom with his slate and gunny bag. Years later, he is a boy who walked in the parliament hall by holding the greatest document in Indian history, the Constitution of India. He is a beacon of hope, not only for for every person who possesses the strength to rewrite their destiny independently. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, the first law minister, who believed in the religion of liberty, equality and fraternity. डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब आम्बेडकर. डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब आम्बेडकर ने न केवल संविधान की मसौदा तैयार की, बल्कि उन्होंने भेदभाव, अन्याय, असमानता के खिलाफ भी लड़ाई लड़ी. डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब का मानना था कि भारत देश का सच्चा विकास तभी संभव है जहां हर जाति धर्म को समान अधिकार प्राप्त हो. वो कहते थे, आजादी से जीवन जीना और भी आसान होगा. आजादी से जीवन जीना और भी आसान होगा जहां हर जाति धर्म समान होगा. सपना था संविधान लिखने वालों का हर भारतवासी पहले इंसान होगा. थैंक यू. जय भीम, जय मीम.